Hey, what's up? My name's Henry. Welcome to the Wong Mindset. So do you want to live a sad and depressing retirement? Well, that's what 40% of Americans are headed for. So let me tell you a little bit about my neighborhood. There's these guys that come out every week, all the time, waiting for you to pull out your trash bins. And once you do, they come by and they pretty much go through, pick out all the cans, right? So they can redeem it for some money. This is what they do to offset their income, hopefully get a little bit of Social Security and try to get by, right? They're 60 plus, maybe hitting 70s. They're gonna have to do this indefinitely. There's like no other option for them. You know, I have respect for these guys. They're out here doing what they can do, but they're gonna be doing this until they can't do it anymore. And is that the life you want? So the first group of people that I'm worried about are the ones with no retirement savings, no plans, no 401k, nothing. You're screwed. So these are the guys you're looking at, you know, you go paycheck to paycheck, you spend everything you got, you're keeping up with the Joneses, you're not really making any plans. For these guys, it's gonna be really tough, right? You get into anything close to retirement age, you are gonna be looking at about, on average, right now, it's about $1,000 for Social Security. And then you're hoping maybe Medicare would cover you. So in that life, it's tough. You cannot cover anything. You can barely eat. In 20 to 30 years, with inflation, you thought rent was expensive now. You have no chance. People are also living longer. 50% of the people out there are gonna live past 80. So imagine trying to survive this whole time on Social Security. The second group of guys that I'm worried about are the ones with only a 401k and no other savings. According to Fidelity, people ages 60 to 69 have a median value of $62,000 in their 401ks. That comes out to about $206 that you could spend every single month safely without running out of money. So with $206 and whatever you have for Social Security, that's really not gonna help. All right, so I think I've scared you enough. So what can you do about this? So first thing is you need to look at how much you spend every single year. What is a good number for you? And then divide that by 4%. That'll give you the number you can safely take out every single year without running out of money. It might look crazy, it might look ridiculous, but we have to start somewhere. We have to go big or you gotta go pick up some cans. First thing you do after you have your number is you go and max out your company match on your 401k. So if your company matches up to 6% of whatever you put in, make sure to take that first. It is an instant 100% gain. Don't ever give that up. People talk about, oh, you put an index fund, you get 7%. This is an instant 100% gain. So please take that first. So the next thing you should do is look into maxing out your Roth IRA. This is the account that once you're in retirement and you start taking distributions, you don't have to pay any taxes on it. So once you're done with this, I would then look at maybe maxing out your 401k. This should get you close to the number that you came up with in the beginning. So even if it's close or not close, now you have an idea where you need to be. So the other option that I'm personally using is rental real estate. I think that's the best game in town. I made a video on that, so go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. But I basically took $200,000 and in 3 years, I turned that into well over $1 million in net worth. And I currently get about $160,000 a year in rent. And I even live in one of the units. So, and I'm just getting started. So with this, if you can imagine, if I just stopped investing and paid off everything, that would be over $160,000 in rent in today's money. And I have all this potential to get even more money in the future. So I would personally recommend this, but I know this is not for everybody. All right, so I hope you were able to take some of this information and you know what it's gonna take to retire comfortably, right? So if you can imagine, if you just put in this work right now, you know, set yourself up right, and you can get all the nice things that you want, you can go on the trips that you want, you could have the life that you want. But you have to start now and you have to look at all the things that you're gonna have to do and then go and do it. All right, please leave a like, subscribe, let me know your thoughts on this video. I'm trying to improve every week, put in good info, and trying to let my personality come out, but it's not easy in these streets. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll chat with you in the next one.